I'm going to install PHP 7.1 on my Mac. This is the command I'm using to download it. See here, it says all you need to do is to install the whole thing is open the shell and execute the following line. And this is from the website phpOSX.liip.ch. Okay. So here we go. Please type your password. Okay. And while we're waiting, I'll just point out that it says that we installed the packager in USR local packer, and we installed PHP into USR local PHP 5. Okay, I guess it's still installing it. I am, by the way, in USR local already. That's the current directory I'm in, where I executed the curl command. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, it did finish installing. Okay, I'm scrolling through all the lines right here. It's a lot of lines. Is there any? Okay, I scrolled all the way to the top and there's no end to this stuff. Okay, so it says it installed PHP in. Okay, let me do a listing here. Okay, this directory was not here before. This is actually a symlink. So the packager went in this directory, and PHP 5, this is the URL for it. But the actual location is USR local in this directory over here. So if I point my IDE to USR local PHP 5, then that's the executable, I guess. No, but that just means the executable is inside that directory. Okay, let me cd into PHP 5. Let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a bin directory in there. Sbin. Okay, which one is the executable? It might be in bin. Okay, cd bin. Clear. Okay, there is an executable here called PHP. So maybe that's the executable. Okay. All right, I'm going to have to stop recording and then see what else I can find out. All right, I changed directory to the sbin to see if there's a PHP executable in there. And the only thing that could be what I'm looking for is PHP FPM, but that's not the kind of PHP I use. So let me just go back. All right, so the executable, let me just do pwd. So the executable is in bin /PHP. Let me just make sure. Yeah, that's where it is. All right, cd ... All right, so here we are. Okay, the whole reason I was getting into this big mess is because PhpStorm, I installed composer.far, and it was telling me that in order for the IDE to use Composer, it needs to have a PHP executable that's on the Mac OS X, not on the remote CLI connection for deployment is not good enough. It can't use the PHP interpreter there to run Composer on the Mac. And if you want to see how I got there, okay, here's the directory for the project. What I did is I hit like Composer and then did init Composer. Okay. And it told me default interpreter is remote one. It's not supported yet. Okay. Okay. So that's why I added PHP 7 to my Mac OS X. Okay. That's it for this video. To be continued.